All right, so now if I'm thinking the region, or if I'm lucky enough to get the regions exam to give me a 6-point coordinate proof, it tends to ask you a couple different things, and this is a fairly accurate situation to that. So I'm going to draw an accurate picture. All right, so H, Q, U, Z. So there's my shape. Now, I think when you look at it, you probably can say, yeah, it's not a square. It doesn't have right angles. Okay. So now our job is, how do we come over here? Actually, let's not put that line in. Let's try to make this a little neater. How do we come over here and prove that it doesn't have a right angle? How do we put some hard evidence on this paper that shows that this thing does not have a right angle? Okay, well, if I'm not sure, and you're going to get in a situation where you're not sure, you literally are going to come over here. Whoops, what am I doing? And you just need to find the slopes and distances, because maybe that's all we can get. Maybe we get the slopes and distances, and when we get the slopes and distances, maybe we can learn something from it. Maybe we take a shot at it and we get, somewhat right, or maybe we figure the whole thing out. QU goes up 1, right 3. UZ goes down 3, left 1. HZ goes down 1, left 3. And HQ goes up 3, right 1. Double negatives here. Okay, so I've got that. Distance-wise, these are obviously all going to be the same because they're all 1s and 3s. Okay, so I get square root of 10 for everything. So I get 4 equal sides. That makes it a rhombus, potentially a square. For a square, it would have to have right angles. But if you look at these, positive, 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 they're all positive. The only way it has a right angle is if it has one of them that changes signs, one pair. There's no right angle there because even though they're flipped, they're not opposite. So I'm going to come over here and say, based on my calculations, HQUZ is a rhombus because it has 4 equal sides, but not a square because there are no perpendicular sides. And I could say there's no opposite sides or anything, but I don't have to. All right, that would be enough to get me full credit right there for this problem.